Once you're at the ScreenApp site, you're going to need to so click on the Start Free. Once you do that, you'll create your free account. However you want to, I'm going to leave that part up to you. I have already created an account. I'm going to go back and log in. Okay, so log in. And once I do, it looks like this. What you're going to need to do is have your card sort, your completed card sort, or whatever you're going to record. Here, ready to go. This is not a completed card sort, but yours will be. I do not want you to record the sorting process, only the explanation process. These cards are unsorted for now, but we're going to pretend like they are sorted. So I'm going to go back to ScreenApp, have this tab available, and then I'm going to click on New Screen Recording. And then this box pops up here. So I want to display, you can make your choices here however you want to, but I'm going to display the browser tab. It's going to have me choose which browser tab, which will be this tab that I have open here. Camera, I don't need a camera. I'm going to click on no camera because I just want to record the screen. And then the microphone, I would just go with your default unless you have something plugged in. So I'm going to start recording. And what it's going to do is it's going to ask me what I want to record. So I'm going to click on that's not the one, this is the one. Share, and as soon as I click on share, it starts the recording. I can check that because if I go back over to ScreenApp, notice that it's been recording for 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to, so here I'm going to go, and the assignment is to talk about, with your completed card sort, talk about either the models that you have that do represent 4x6 or the models that do not represent 4x6, and go through each one of them and talk about how they either do or do not represent 4x6. So you make the choice. Don't talk about every single card, but just the ones in either of the two columns. Okay, so let's suppose you've done that, and we need to keep the video fairly short. I think the five minutes is a cap on the video. You'll want to go back over to ScreenApp tab. Click on Stop Recording. It's finalizing. Depending on how long the video it is, it could take a little while. All right, so if you will click on the video itself, it'll open up an editing tool. Because we're recording, I'm recording this video, it's going to shake and be kind of funny in just a second. Disregard that. Your video should not do that when you are not recording the screen. So click on it and just disregard what the video is doing. So now notice that I'm going to stop this. If you will click to generate a share link, click that. The link is then copied to the clipboard. So you've got what you need from here. Back out of here. If I go up to another tab, and paste in, enter, and here's the video. You're going to submit that link. You can always go back to it. You can always go back to your ScreenApp, click on this on your video, click on the share, and the link is copied to your clipboard. So if you've lost it, if you've done other things, you've copied other things to your clipboard, you don't know where it is, go back to the ScreenApp, go to your recording, click on it as though you were going to edit it, and then click on that share tab or that share link to get the URL that you'll then turn in. That will be the text that you turn in to me for this assignment.